up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ZanadiaSiMone back with another video. And y'all, today y'all about to watch me do my own wig install. When I tell y'all this company sent me a already ready wig, I was like, see, I was gonna let my stylist do it, but I was like, this is just too easy. This is just too easy for me to put on, so I definitely can do it myself. Like, that would be a waste of money. I'm about to show y'all this wig real fast. So first I'm gonna show y'all everything that Yolissa sent me. Yes, this video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Make sure you click the link in my description box because I'm about to eat it up. I'm about to eat this wig up. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all everything that it came with. It came with wig caps, but I already put the wig cap on. I don't know what these little things is, but it's my first time receiving them. But it also came with the scrunchie. One of the Yolissa baggies. I love when companies send these little baggies because I always use them. Eyelashes. A wig band. An edge brush and comb, and also another little baggie. So I wonder, is this a baggie or just a bunny? Because oh, this is what you wrap your hair with. I'm happy I opened this because I'm definitely gonna use this today, and that was a first. Nobody ever seen that, so thank you, Yolissa. But yeah, y'all, let's get into this wig. Let's get into it. It's already braided. It's a water wave wig. Y'all, get into that wig. Get y'all a closer look. I hope y'all can see it. If you can't, I'm about to make a video on my phone, and then I'll let y'all see it on the stream. But I love this because it's already pre-braided. Already got the ponytail. I'm probably going to add more hair in the ponytail. But yeah, y'all, they definitely ate. Already came with the edges on. I'm about to slip it on real fast so y'all can see how easy it is to wear. Y'all know I like to glue my wigs down, but I'm about to show y'all how it look without even being glued down. I might need to fix my wig cap, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put makeup. Y'all see it already. I'm about to fix the makeup on my wig cap, and then I'm going to let y'all see it before I glue it down. Y'all, I'm not a pro at this makeup stuff, so I literally just be using my eyeshadow palette to do this. I don't know what else I could use. I think a powdered contour. I think I probably did this too dark. About to make it work though. And y'all, I put this wig cap on last night. I was supposed to do this last night and I fell asleep. But now I'm in a rush, so I'm about to do it now. It's the wig cap a little bit. So I'm about to just slip this on. Cause I want y'all to see how easy it is to just put on. Like, I wonder, is this a glueless wig? Let me look and see. It's a pre-everything wig. Like, it looks so good. Y'all, this is the wig without it even being glued down. Look at it. Like, look at it. I'm gonna have to fix the little part right here. like make it tighter, but oh my god. Don't play with that girl, because she definitely not one of them. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and start the whole little process, put the glue on it and stuff so I can get this wig laid down. And yeah, y'all just about to watch me do that, and then stay tuned for the finished product.
The world, I'm a walking erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. Fucking crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you had me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
It's complete. Y'all tell me how I did. Even though I ain't even have to do nothing but lay it down. It is so cute. I ain't even gonna lie. It is so cute. Look, Yolissa, y'all did y'all big one. Y'all did y'all extra big one on this wig. Like, y'all just look at it. Like, I just... Oh my god, y'all, I really love it. It is so soft. Even when I was just brushing it just now, it wasn't like shedding or nothing. But yeah, it looks real good, real cute. And yeah, thank you so much, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. And send some more. Cause I love this wig. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see y'all on the next video.